Greetings viewers, today I'd like to talk about home security cameras, specifically the WyzeCam V3. Wyze tore its way into not only home security camera market but also smart home tech market by offering inexpensive yet high quality products. The latest addition to their line of security cameras is what you see in your screen right now, the WyzeCam V3. Weather resistant, IP65 certified, capable of recording native full high definition instead of upscaling like some of the competition does at the same price range, motion and sound detection, cloud as well as local storage recording options, and most importantly, reliability. When the V3 became more widely available in Canada for more reasonable price, close to what they sell them for in the US, still higher though, I picked up a few and replaced my V2 cameras, which I think it is worth mentioning I have been very happily using for more than a year. The biggest upgrade reason for me was the fact that the V3 is designed both for in and outdoor use. It also does not require any new wiring to be done, which meant all I had to do was disconnect the V2 and connect the V3 in its place. So what are the changes other than what already was mentioned? Well, the USB port in the back, which was meant to be used with the accessories such as motion sensor, is now gone. I may be wrong, but my guess is Wyze did not see it worth keeping because of the lacking popularity of the accessories. Another very vivid change is the micro USB power socket, which is now attached to the camera with a short cable where the socket is surrounded by a rubbery cover to seal off weather from interfering with the connection. And that does make perfect sense. The biggest improvement from V2 to V3 that I have noticed in the time I've been using the V3 are the following. The speaker in V3 is somehow louder when using it for two-way audio. I have not disassembled either of the cameras, thus I do not know for certain why this is. Could be a newer, more powerful speaker or simply a better speaker placement in the camera chassis. Next, the night vision in V3 is a great deal more capable. Now it says on the box that the V3 had both the classic monochrome night vision as well as the improved color night vision, and it absolutely lives up to that claim. However, I have noticed that when it gets really dark and there are no external light sources close by, the camera switches to the black and white night vision. While on the subject, here are night recordings made by the V2 versus the V3 in my backyard with little light pollution, other than the very dim light coming from one of the windows on the second floor. These videos were recorded one day apart, but at the same time of day, around 11 p.m. It is all great and jolly, but the V3 comes with one big boo-boo which I think must be considered prior to purchasing it. If you already own a version 2 WyzeCam, my question would be what it is that you're trying to achieve. Now, it is important to bear in mind that the V3 still, at the time of recording of this video at least, does not support RTSP, which could be a deal breaker for many. Not having a firmware that supports RTSP means that you have one option less when it comes to recording videos. You can still make do with a 12-second that comes with a deal of cloud recording. You could also stick an SD card, a micro SD card that is, into the camera and have it record 24/7, which is not exactly what I would call secure, because if someone were to rip the camera from the wall and run off with it, you would not be able to see the recording. Or you could pay the annual fee, which is quite low, but still, you would have to pay for it to have full recordings. Now, bear in mind that 12 seconds may just not cut it when you're trying to record, say, someone breaking into your car or attempting. It's just going to cut off at 12 seconds and it's too bad. And that is why I think that having RTSP support is a big deal. With RTSP support, you could use a number of different devices with just about any operating system to record the video off of the network from the RTSP feed. And that is all I have for this one. If you happen to like this video, please do not shy away from throwing your camera at the like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care. Bye.